Yo, what is going on, guys?
Deep into is this recording? Exactly, you hear him?
I'm not going
He's
deep
going way
enough.
too deep into this shit.
Oh.
Thanks for tuning in for another video. It is your boy Rish.
Let me know what you guys like to see, what you guys want to see, fucking what you need, okay?
Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't joined the Rish Club yet. We're growing steadily. We're almost monetized, guys. We're like 50 watch time hours away. We're really close, trying to do different things. I'm still waiting on parts and whatnot, guys, so just want to kind of do a little update. I just got done cutting the grass, just showered, so yeah, feeling fresh. So I want to talk to you guys about another little problem I found. You can see right there. You may know what that is. It's a nice little oil leak, guys. It's definitely coming from my oil plug. I noticed that last time I did my oil change, whoever previously installed it, yada yada, it definitely like stripped the threading and stuff. So I went and attempted to put in a new oil plug and it just kind of doesn't hold. It was kind of rough putting it in. I keep trying to like tighten it a little bit, but it still leaks quite a bit like that. I'm gonna be buying a new oil pan, which is like 150 bucks, which isn't crazy. I had to drill in another hole for the oil feed line for when I do go turbo, because I don't want to do that twice, because to do that you have to pull the pan, so there's metal shavings in it and all that fun stuff. I have a whole all-around lip kit I ordered. It's gonna take a little bit to get here, but I'm really excited about that. I'm about to be getting the Weapon R. Marcus is gonna be sending that. I think he sent it yesterday maybe, or he's sending it today. I only had to pay another like 230 bucks, which isn't crazy bad. More power. And I know I said I wanted to do the DC headers and whatever, but I'd rather just go with the Weapon R. Whenever the headers come, I'll be going getting my exhaust done, having fun with that. Obviously do a video on that as well. Coils are still being made, man. This shit's taking forever, sadly. Being a long ass process. Let me just show you the TSX and clean it up. There's a little thing sitting on it. Clean that up. Rinse this thing off again. Really excited about the power washer. Yeah, it works great. Works great. Foam cannon works great. Nicer weather is coming next week, and I hit like 80-something degrees, 85 or something, which is crazy. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more vlogging, a lot more outside things, and actually working on the cars. There's been like a lot of shitty days. It's fucking randomly snowing, really cold and windy. I'd rather just wait till nicer weather. Parts aren't going nowhere, the car isn't going anywhere. But I do have some more problems to address, like the oil pan now, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is, guys. As you see all this wood, we're gonna be enjoying some fires tonight. It's supposed to be nicer than it was yesterday, so that should be fun. We're supposed to do it last night, but honestly, we were like got really tired and it was kind of breezy. So tonight should be a lot better. All right, so I got the power washer out. I gotta go turn on the water right quick. All right, turn this on and undo all these. These little knots. Thumbs up, trying to do more. This is just kind of recording on what I'm doing. It's nothing too exciting, guys, I'm sorry. Cars are washed, now we're on our way. I don't know, there's some waterfall type place, even though it's a nice day out and it seems pretty busy a lot of places. We're still trying to figure it out, get the energy going and enjoy the beautiful day. I can't wait to put coils on this thing, because fucking Christ, the body roll on this shit. Goddamn, the bogging on this thing is fucking annoying. Update you guys whenever we're somewhere or some nice other views or and whatnot. So catch you then. So guys, we are in Middletown, just kind of enjoying the weather and whatnot. It's like a little beach area or something. I don't know. I have no clue, guys. Really curious on what the fuck this is. It's like we went to the beach without actually going to the beach. Like I literally gonna try to go to the beach. No, what the fuck is this? Guys, look at this shit. This is so... I was expecting there to be water right there. Clearly there used to be. Let's walk into where there was supposed to be any water. It had that guy wandering behind us, but I think it was because the couple had a dog and they were walking on the sand. The guy was so ready to be like, "Ooh, I got some fucking action." Like, relax, dog. Everyone's at the fucking park enjoying their time. Yeah, it's so beautiful, guys. If you guys like this shirt, like this t-shirt, I can make you guys some custom ones because I put all these money signs individually. I have these Rish black shirts, $15 each. Other guys, look at this beautifulness. Fucking rivers looking nice, much open land and trees and greenness. And you guys seen that beach we went to? Like, there's even a beach here. What? No fucking water. Leave a thumbs up, guys, if you guys enjoy the videos. It's kind of like a vlog style, kind of car-ish. You guys are gonna see a little bit of driving and all around sorts of shit. I guess it's kind of like an adventure vlog. We kind of used to do these a lot more. Maybe we're gonna start a little bit more because the weather's getting nicer, so yeah, let me know what you guys like to see, what you guys want to see, fucking what you need, okay? Drop a thumbs up for the view, guys. You guys enjoy the views, some nice views. Yeah, it's pretty cool there. It's pretty cool. Yo, we just almost sacrificed our life going across that. But look at this beautifulness. Do you guys like adventure vlogs? Because I know it's not really my channel so much. We try to incorporate it a little bit, so I don't know. Regardless, enjoy. Oh, careful. It's like fucking quicksand right there. Crack. It's like a fucking workbench.
A what?
A workbench?
What's a workbench?
What's a workbench?
Is it like the thing I got you? I'm being so dead ass, Christian.
Nah, the way you say things, nah.
You're literally going way too deep into. Is this recording? Exactly, you hear him?
I'm not going
He's
deep
going way
enough.
too deep into this shit.
Nope.
I did a workbench. Like, dude, that's not a fucking workbench. So wait until fucking May 8th and you'll
like some
see.
sort of thing.
Good thing we recorded this shit because this is going in.
So, if you guys could guess what is inside this box, I don't even know what it is. It's a anniversary gift present from my girl to me. Guys, this shit is heavy as fuck. Like, I'm a pretty big dude. Like, I'm pretty, you know, I got my strength and shit. I be going to the gym. This thing is a good, like, 100 pounds plus. Like, huh?
100 pounds?
Nah, oh, not 100 pounds. This is a good like 75 pounds at least. At least. This shit seems heavy as fuck. So, if you guys could guess what this is, don't mind like the Christmas gift wrapping, like it shows what it was and she didn't want me to see it obviously. If you guess what it is, I'll give you a Rish t-shirt. Customizable, like you could have your IG, your YouTube on it, anything. Like I could put whatever the hell you want on like the t-shirt. What we did with this, I added that part, and you're gonna get a Rish keychain too, which we never really showed. So, customized shirt of however you want it. This Rish with whatever else, your IG, YouTube, your name, whatever. And this Rish keychain, you'll be the first person ever. First person to receive this. We've never given it out. We have a few of these. So if you want this, drop a comment. What do you think this is? My guesses were, I was thinking like, I don't know, like ping pong table. Something table related with how heavy this is. At least like 75 pounds-ish.
Next thing you know, it's not even a table.
I don't know, I was thinking some table type shit because you know how it looks, but it could be anything, guys. We're all clueless here, not the camera person, but guess this if you can. Closest person will win the giveaway. We're almost monetized. I was checking today. We're literally like 25 hours away. Do me a favor, guys, check out this video, check out all the other videos, and when we get monetized, we'll do another big giveaway. I don't know where this vlog is going, where it went. It's kind of like all around kind of shit. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment what you think this is. Win some cool merch and customized tee.